So hello, how you doing? My name is Alex, and today, guess what? Maybe I'm gonna be trading. Oh yes, I am. I am gonna be. It was very tough day. It was really very rough day. The weather is awful. The things are not really as I'm expecting them to be. But money, I'm still earning. All right. So there is one big great thing. Still earning money. So before jumping straight into the trading, I would like to inform you, and I would like to share with you the details. Not the details, but I would like to inform you and remind you that I am having the Telegram private group where you can be joining without paying anything. You just join, say, earn by that learning the details and the information that I'm giving you. So you shoot as a sponge, you just entering the Telegram private group, you just capturing every available information, every detail there. And after that, you start just using all of it and start earning. So before starting, do not forget to leave a like on this video, and of course, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's start. I'm putting the indicators there. Right? Zigzag is gonna be there. Fractal is gonna be with us, and vortex. Okay, vortex is gonna be with us. Changing the main line of the zigzag to orange and 3px. What about the vortex styles? Color, it's gonna be just green and 2 and red and line width making 2 pixels again. Impulse periods 11, yeah. As frequently 11, we're gonna be having it. Okay, having $161, having Australian and United States dollars, having $50 of first bet. Wait, $50 here, and going for long, guys. Currently, we are in a strong downtrend, and we are expecting a technical rebound to ease the oversold conditions, to ease the local oversold conditions. So, mainly, my suggestion is based on this information, on that information. Easy, understandable, obvious. If it is not understandable for you, I guess you are already well aware of the things that you gotta be doing. Telegram private group. Yeah, tough day today, guys. It was really very tough. I'm really very tired, but it has nothing to do with the money that I'm gonna be earning. Like, look, watch and follow. All right, you'll see that. So 5 seconds and 3, 2, 1. $96 of profit. Okay, moving to Australian dollars into francs. Even though we're having 82% of income, I'm gonna be drawing a parallel channel here for you to understand it. So we are prices moving with a descending channel, within a descending channel. I'm sorry. And by the way, vortex indicates a strong downtrend. And by the way, the lower boundary of the channel has been broken. So changing it to $90 here, and betting for short. Let me oh, nice. Oh my god, we have just broken that. Nice, great. Before the candle, the sellers broke the lower boundary of the parallel channel that I drew. I thought that you might be rebounding from the lower boundary and just going upwards. So I was keeping my mouse on the long option, but once it just broke that, I was like, dang. Yay! Here we go. Another win, another money. $279. Betting $170. Going for short. The price is just breaking through the zigzag and the fractal and the why the MACD? The vortex is indicating for short as well. So, I mean, no discussion there is needed. Everything is simple, it's plain. Yeah. We're now the low. I thought that we won, but it was just a tie. But okay, I'm not giving up. I'm going for lower again, for short again. Oh my days! I just hate when this happens. You know, I just hate it. Oh, thanks God. Now we got it, right? $326 in my balance. Added. First of all, buyers has entered the market, and second of all, I'm changing the amount to $326 here. Yeah, the buyers, they have entered the market, and I can see their strength. Nice, $625. Ooh, we're having a very strong downtrend. Very strong. Changing it to $626, going for short. Guys, like vortex and zigzags, they are for the short. And obviously, drawing that here, the trend line, the first one. Obviously, we have bounced off from that trend line. And that's the main reason why we're going for short right now. Down $1,312 in my balance right now. Am I happy? Yes, I am. Am I willing to earn more? Yes, I am. Price has switched to resistance level right now. And let me just change it to 1,200. I'm gonna be going for short, guys, right now. I mean, first of all, the vortex and the zigzag, we are almost having the same situation. I mean, vortex and the zigzag, they are for the short option. Yeah, mainly this is it. About reaching the resistance level, if I draw another trend line, you're able to see that we are having almost the same situation. So that's the if I'm drawing the trend line, there is gonna be the support that I'm calling the resistance level. So yeah, this is what it is. It's not the resistance level, but the resistance zone. Oh, during these 20 seconds, I would like to remind you about my Telegram private group, guys. I know I might be mentioning it too many times, but I'm just eager about it. I'm just willing to give you as much information as I'm able to. And $2,416 in my balance right now. Perfect. Yeah, I'm just willing to give you as much information as I can, and for that reason, I'm just willing to have a lot more subscribers and followers in my Telegram, that a lot of people can use that information, can earn with the help of that information. So do not forget to join there. It's for absolutely free. Do not forget to leave a like under this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching it. Goodbye.